Hey guys, and welcome back to Down South Off-Road and Outdoor. Today, we are going to review a couple of products from Overland Outfitters. Now, if you recall, following the channel before, we picked up two products for them. Number one, a camp cabinet. You can go back and watch our review for that. We bought it last year after Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. The second one was our front door pockets, which I absolutely love. Go back and check out the review for those. And now today, we are going to review two more products. One being the rear Jeep pockets, and the second being a front grab bar. So, stay tuned. All right, if you are a Jeep JKU owner like we are, one thing that is very, very frustrating is the actual pockets that are on these doors. So if you will see here, it's pretty janky, all right? So Overland Outfitters has come up with a better solution to replace these janky little Annette's. So let me open those JKU door pockets so that you can see what they look like. Okay guys, so I'm going to open the JKU rear door pockets. These things are made of what they call heavy duty cotton duck and leather construction. This includes both pockets, so one on each side, and it will fit the bottom of the doors for a 2012 through a 2018. So yeah, let's get them open. I love the front pockets that came from this company. They're so pretty and they're so classy, and the material cleans up really well. So I can't wait to put these in place for the rear. So if you want to come on in here and take a look, it has the pocket, a snap pocket, just like the front does. It's just a little bit smaller, and what I love is the choice of colors that they've used here. I'm so thankful.
Detail.
Yeah, the details, man. I mean, the leather, and then it's gonna be black, and of course you know that Bella is red and white, so it's really awesome the quality of work and the materials that they have put into these products. And then it's also gonna have another little pocket. And if you remember watching the front door install, remember this little piece is going to slide up on the plastic piece that's on the door. So yeah, let's get to installing them. All right, so Overland Outfitters does a really good job of giving us installation instructions, and we are going to need for the JK the T25 Torx driver and a drill with a 1/16 drill bit. So let's get those tools and get started. Whenever you get your pockets, be sure to check the actual pockets, because they do have screws inside for you to be able to install these pockets on your doors. All right guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take these old janky pockets off, and as you can see, we've got a bunch of junk in there. So let's go ahead and get that out. And then the screws are here at the bottom of the door. So I'm gonna use my Torx bit.
So how many screws do you have? You just have to take the one out?
I just have to take this one out, yes.
Okay.
Now,
You're not taking the net off, you're just pulling the door out?
just pulling the door out. Yep, so the next thing we do is pull the door out so that these pockets can go over.
Now if you need help, just tell me and I'll stop filming.
Get my fingers in the holes.
Well, it happens. To the best of us.
All right, I think I'm gonna need some help. 'Cause I can't.
You sure?
Yeah, I can't.
I
Either
think
that or a screwdriver to pry it open.
I think you're doing great, babe. Do you have a screwdriver that you can... Are you using the net?
Yeah, I was gonna try to use the net. It's not working.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna need some help.
All right, YouTube.
So, yeah, I can't get it apart.
I just think it's so cute that as strong as you are, sometimes you still need a man to open that pickle jar. Woo!
Please help
Yeah.
me open the pickles.
All right, on it. Huh? All right.
just like that.
I think that's all we need, right?
I think so.
All right. Hey, babe. How's that, how'd the pickle jar work out?
I think it's working out fine.
All right. Now, back to you.
Okay, so now that we have the plastic pulled away from the door, inside of there you're gonna see there's 3 clips, and those clips will go inside of these 3 holes. And then this bottom hole right here is where you wanna line up to put that screw that I took out back into the door. So this is where it gets a little complicated. Not complicated, you just gotta wiggle it up in there a little bit.
Finagle.
So you gotta finagle it and get those holes in the right place.
All
So
right. Am I leaving you to finagle on your own?
I think I can finagle on my own this time.
All right.
I think.
Just know that I'm here on your reserve list
Okay.
if need be. I'll come hold the door back. How about that?
Yeah, you guys be smarter than me and bungee your damn door.
Oh, it's going to be so much prettier, I can already tell.
So I got one in the hole. But it
Nice.
slipped out.
It happens.
Slipped out.
It happens to the best of us. I have no doubt you'll work it back in there.
Okay. Shit. Stay in your hole.
It's your home.
Okay, got one in.
Don't you want to go to your home? All right, I'm coming around. Still going to, because I just want to be able to see what you're doing.
All right, got the second one in. The third one's really high. There we go, got it in.
All right,
So I will say
that was easy.
that this one seems to be easier
Much, well,
than the other one.
I don't know. She's talking that trash. She don't know yet. We're not done. Oh, that's gonna look so cool though.
There's that hole. Okay.
All right.
All right, you want to hold the door so I don't bust the other door?
Yep, I got it. So, and guys, when you get it, this canvas is so thick, or whatever they call it, cotton duct. I call it canvas, but it is so thick that putting it on is tough because it is a strong, strong fabric. But once it's on, it's not going anywhere.
So now the hard part is just getting those pins lined up to the holes in the door.
Yep.
There we go. And it should go easily. You don't have to slam it. Once you find the hole, it's there. Once you find the hole, it's in there. Okay.
And it's such a relief once it's in.
It is. All right. So now I'm going to, somebody didn't change my bit.
Well, I didn't know that I needed. This is her trying to do it everything by herself. This is what it looks like. I don't need nobody. I can do it all by myself.
All right.
You still want me to hold that door now?
Yes. So what I'm going to do is put the screw in that there's already a hole for. So that's the factory. Screw that up.
What?
The factory screw.
Yeah, the factory screw.
So now, we're gonna sweat. The instructions.
You don't sweat, baby. You glisten.
The instructions call for 2 screws here and on the other side to drill into that plastic.
Pull it up good and tight where you want it.
Just want to make sure it's up in there nice and tight. Ain't nobody like no loosey-goosey.
Family friendly, huh? That's good. That's probably good, baby.
I like to get in there nice and deep.
Let's not get crazy.
Same thing here. All right. Did you bring the screwdriver drill bit?
Well, you've got a screwdriver. Lord God, just put a screwdriver bit on it.
All right. The instructions didn't say that I was going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. So, go back. You need a Phillips head for these little screws.
Okay. I'll just I'll just wait here.
I'm gonna wait all patient line.
When you walk back, I'm putting it in slow-mo.
Why?
Like Pamela Anderson on the beach. Oh, I'm leaving that in real time so people see that. All right.
All right, let's get serious. We got serious work to do here. Yeah, we needed your hand drill or your drill.
Well, it's over there.
Actually, honestly, you probably shouldn't use like a power drill for this.
This is easy,
well, it's
delicate plastic.
And if you torque it too hard, it might not work very well.
Yeah, you can't just be torquing everything all hard. Some of it's not made to torque that hard.
Nice. Okay. Got the door.
I got the door. Are you in the hole?
I don't think so. Now I am. Excellent. All right, guys. So,
Look.
how pretty is that?
Look at it.
Would you look at that?
Would you just look at it?
So here's what I think. Look at the shape of that. What looks like will fit down in there.
Ooh.
Look.
Hold on. Beautiful. Pull it out real slow. Beautiful.
Yeah.
All right.
So, what I
that's cool.
really like about this is it still gives that pocket is still there, but now it's not all janky and falling down.
And it doesn't look bad.
Mm-mm.
It looks
So
good.
it still gives you that extra pocket space for more stuff.
So you can put stuff there, but it's not going to be hanging down into the floor. We've actually had that net hang down so far that we couldn't close our door. So now that's eliminating that. And look at it. Oh, it looks good.
All right, guys. So we've installed one side. Let's get to the other.
How do you like it, babe?
I think it's gorgeous.
One thing we didn't do though, we didn't see if it shuts, because I just said that net sometimes gets so low that a door doesn't shut. So make sure it shuts before we do the other side.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I think so. Yeah, because now it lays flush.
Nice. That one was way easier.
All right, guys, as you can see, these Jeep JKU rear door pockets are super easy to install. They accent the doors beautifully, and I just love Overland Outfitters. So be sure to check the other videos, which have our camp cabinet as well as our front door pockets, and jump over because now I'm going to review the grab bar pocket. Thanks for watching.